SWRemote is the mobile solution that allows you to extend the power of SuccessWare 21 into the field. Simply assigning a job to a tech in SuccessWare sends that job to their mobile device, where they'll have all the tools they need to fully complete the job. As they perform the work, the information is automatically updated to SuccessWare in real time, freeing your office team from recording paperwork and allowing them to focus on other revenue-generating tasks. Once assigned a call, it will show up for the tech in SWRemote, where they'll have access to all the information they need to properly run the job. Selecting the assignment will first give them access to the detailed directions from SuccessWare, which will prepare them for their journey and what to expect when they arrive. From this screen, they will also have access to the customer's complete record, including full customer detail summaries and access to the customer's agreement information as well. The tech can further access the customer service history, including the work done notes, as well as work suggested. And by selecting the equipment option, you can see all equipment in the customer's home, as well as the status of associated warranties. Finally, if your company is using Dropbox for location document storage, the techs will be able to access saved documents, such as forms, and pictures that have been saved to the account. The tech will be able to add pictures to the location documents folder as well, directly from their mobile device. Once ready, the tech will be able to mark themselves as dispatched to the job and even access turn-by-turn driving directions using the map program of their choice on their phone or tablet. Once the tech arrives at the customer location, they'll be presented with job instructions and will be able to mark themselves on site. As with all actions the tech takes on their device, the information is updated to SuccessWare 21 in real time. Once the tech has performed their initial inspection, they'll be able to prepare an initial copy of the invoice to present to the customer and get their authorization signature. The tech has access to the price book from SuccessWare and can search for items by drilling down by section, or by performing a search and selecting the item that they're offering. Never worry about inaccurate math again, as the tech can select price levels specific to the customer or apply discounts, and the adjusted prices will be calculated automatically. Once the initial job proposal is prepared, it can be presented to the customer so that they can sign off, authorizing the tech to perform the repairs. This signature, as well as the end of job signature, are captured and sent back to SuccessWare, where they will appear on printed copies of the invoice. Techs are able to add notes, both work done as well as work suggested, by typing the notes or using voice to text. Or, for common notes and recommendations, selecting from a drop-down of pre-written notes. Once finished with the work, the tech will be able to identify the specific parts that were used on the job. If you're using inventory in SuccessWare 21, this will automatically create a requisition back in the system. And even if you're not using inventory, the parts will be added to the job costing on the invoice, as well as allow you to create part usage lists by technician using SuccessWare's invoice item list report, so that you can be sure trucks are being properly restocked. You'll see a reduction in open receivables as techs are able to process credit card payments directly through SWRemote, as well as collect other methods of payment as well. The final invoice will be presented to the customer for their review, and signature will be taken, assuring that the work has been performed to their satisfaction. As a last step, techs will be able to complete the job summary or debrief information to send back to SuccessWare. Most of this information is completed automatically, but the tech can update and add items such as an opportunity that was identified on the job. The invoice can now be emailed directly to the customer on completion of the job. Once the tech marks their work complete, they will be presented with their next job, or, as in this case, they can choose another time card entry. The job will now show as completed, and if appropriate, closed in SWRe21, with all call progress complete. Job summary information entered, and invoice ready to be posted with sale information, payment information, and job costing information fully completed. SWRemote can take your techs to the 21st century. If you're ready to learn how we can change your business, give us a call for a demo today.